Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Hafiz. Today I'm going to present you my paper on the integrated logistic and food safety and enhancing supply chain efficiency in Malaysia food service industry. Welcome everyone. My research background, okay, so if you look at here, Malaysian food service industry is a cornerstone of the national economy, contributing significantly to employment and consumer spending. However, this industry faces ongoing challenges related to maintaining food safety due to fragmented logistics systems. Logistics must ensure timely and secure movement of the goods to avoid contamination and spoilage. Um, the need, okay, for the cold chain logistics to preserve the quality and safety of perishable food, inefficiency in transportation, and poor traceability can lead to serious food safety lapse. To address this issue, integrated logistics solutions such as real-time monitoring, improved supplier coordination, and traceability system are important. The alignment logistics strategy with food safety practice not only enhance compliance but also strengthens brand reputation and consumer trust. The research objective, okay, I have three research objectives, okay, which I want to assess logistic effectiveness on food business performance. Second objective, which is assuming the effect on the food safety compliance. The third objective, which is to investigate food safety as a mediator in the food logistic performance relationship. Malaysian food service industry is a major economic contributor but facing increasingly complexity in logistics and food safety. Logistic efficiency is very important for ensuring quality and traceability across food chain. Food safety issues are often linked to poor logistic practice. How this happen? Why this happen? What are the factors? So by looking at this research framework, okay, through this stakeholder theory and the supply chain management theory. So we look at who's the actors, who the players that controlling, that having this responsibility to ensure the system inform what they call the information system, the logistics system are integrated and complying with the food safety. So we look at these two theory, okay, and how this actually poor traceability and handling lead to foodborne outbreak and undermine the customer's trust. By doing this research, I'm using a survey under quantitative research. I reached about 50 samples from the businesses in Malaysia, across street in Malaysia. So by sample, I have a respondent from the owner, business owner, from the business assistant, okay, those who are directly involved, okay, their roles in ensure that logistic practice, the compliance are met. Okay, I'm running using the smart PLLs, using this system, this software to analyze. Okay, and the variable that I use is logistic effectiveness as the IV, food safety compliance as the mediator, and business performance as the DV. So from this survey, so we found that logistics alone has limited impact on performance, but it significantly improved food safety compliance, which is turn enhance business outcome. As you can see through the R square and also the R square from the food safety compliant, and if you look at the R square for the business performance, okay, it's a positive and they show that they have a uh, high impact. Okay, they have a strong indirect impact compared to only logistic effectiveness. So we need to have another element, okay, to ensure that the business performance are improved. Okay, by looking at this result, and we can how look at in terms of the implication. So we can able to integrate the logistic and food safety compliance to ensure that the business performance are improved, align with this stakeholder theory by promoting the collaboration between supplier and regulators to enforce the food safety across the logistic operation. So what we can suggest here, okay, by uh, adopt this IoT, okay, to ensure that we're able to analyze the data, we can predict in future how our performance, okay, based on the compliance, based on how we trace our logistic through the blockchain. We can be more transparency, and at the same time we also can train our staff, okay, by enhancing the coordination between the suppliers, so they get some knowledge, okay, and on the compliance, okay, is very important in this case. By the conclusion, okay, to summarize this, improving logistics and complying with the rigorous food safety measure significantly boost the business performance. So the key is here is the integration. So thank you for my presentation for today.